Becoming a good actor is a journey that requires dedication, passion, and continuous learning. It's a craft that goes beyond memorizing lines and hitting marks. Here are some key aspects to consider on your path to becoming a good actor. 1. Training and education *. Invest in your education by enrolling in acting classes or joining a reputable acting school. Look for programs that focus on various acting techniques, voice modulation, body language, and improvisation. Continuous learning is crucial to honing your skills and staying relevant in the industry. 2. Build a strong foundation *. Develop a solid understanding of acting fundamentals. Learn how to analyze scripts, understand characters, and convey emotions convincingly. Work on your diction, pronunciation, and projection to ensure your dialogue delivery is clear and impactful. 3. Practice regularly *. Acting is a skill that improves with practice. Join local theater groups, participate in workshops, or create your own acting projects. The more you immerse yourself in acting, the more comfortable and confident you will become. 4. Observe and imitate *. Study performances of seasoned actors in films, television, and theater. Observe their nuances, expressions, and body language. Analyze what makes their performances stand out and incorporate those elements into your own acting style. However, remember not to copy but to learn and adapt. 5. Understand your emotions *. A good actor should be in touch with their emotions. Practice emotional exercises to understand and express a wide range of feelings. This emotional intelligence will help you connect with your characters on a deeper level and make your performances more authentic. 6. Build versatility *. Explore various genres of acting, including comedy, drama, and action. Versatility is key to being a well-rounded actor. It allows you to take on diverse roles and challenges, showcasing your adaptability to different styles of storytelling. 7. Networking *. Build a strong network within the industry. Attend industry events, film festivals, and connect with fellow actors, directors, and producers. Networking not only opens doors to opportunities, but also exposes you to different perspectives and experiences that can enrich your craft. 8. Accept rejection and learn from criticism *. Rejection is part of the acting profession. Instead of being disheartened, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Be open to constructive criticism, as it can provide valuable insights into areas where you can improve. 9. Stay physically fit *. Acting often requires physical stamina and flexibility. Regular exercise and maintaining good health will not only enhance your physical appearance, but also contribute to your overall energy and performance. 10. Create a professional portfolio *. Develop a strong resume and portfolio that showcases your skills, experience, and training. Include headshots, a well-crafted resume, and a show reel that highlights your best performances. A professional portfolio is essential when auditioning for roles. In conclusion, becoming a good actor is a continuous process of learning, practicing, and evolving. Stay dedicated to your craft, be open to new experiences, and always strive for improvement. With persistence and passion, you can navigate the challenges of the industry and carve out a successful acting career.